A rustic life awaits at your own farm and residential estate in Calamba, Laguna at Huerta Farms and Residences. Now with newly opened prime lots. Embrace serenity instead of a secure master-planned community. Enjoy full access to our amenities. Huerta is more than just the perfect spot for a weekend getaway home. Wake up to the smell of the dew of freshly cut grass. Sip coffee organically grown from your own backyard. As the Huerta is a community perfect for organic gardening. Pick up fresh herbs from your own garden. Farm fresh vegetables at your own backyard. Enjoy breathing fresh, clean air all day. And feast your eyes with majestic lake and mountain views beyond the horizon. This is every camp lover's dream home. This is the good life at Huerta Farms and Residences, where you can get to slow down and make the most out of life. Let us turn your dream life into reality.